Welcome to Session 7. Word problems are not a separate topic. They are algebra with context attached. Today, we translate words into linear models, solve them, and check whether the answer makes sense in the story. Use the same routine every time. First, box what the problem asks for. Second, define the variable with units. Third, write the relationship in words before translating. Then solve, keeping the requested unit attached. For fixed fee plus rate problems, separate the one-time charge from the repeated charge. Let M be the number of months. Total equals activation fee plus monthly rate times months. So 115 equals 40 plus 12.5 times M, and M equals 6 months. A break-even point happens when two outputs are equal. Plan A is 25 plus 8 cents per page. Plan B is 45 plus 4 cents per page. Set the total costs equal, and the plans match at 500 pages. Motion problems depend on direction. Opposite directions add speeds because separation grows faster. For same direction catch-up, subtract speeds. With an 18-mile lead, the gap closes at 6 miles per hour, so the catch-up time is 3 hours. When two categories add to a total, a complement can keep the model to one variable. If S is student tickets, adult tickets are 140 minus S. Build the revenue equation, solve, and get 50 student tickets. Two common traps are rounding and translation order. 4.48 buses is not a real answer, so a minimum capacity question needs 5 buses. Also, 7 less than 3 times n means 3n minus 7, not 7 minus 3n. Your turn. A phone plan costs $35 initially, plus $18 per month. The total is $143. Find the number of months. Pause and translate before solving. The equation is 143 equals 35 plus 18m. Subtract 35 to get 108 equals 18m. Divide by 18, so m equals 6 months. Session 7 recap. Define the variable and units before writing an equation. Separate fixed fees from repeated rates. For break-even, set outputs equal. For motion, choose speed sum or difference from the story. Finally, use context to round and check the answer.